Happy Easter, everyone! Today I'm going to show you how my mom makes Easter with our traditional Kerala Appam and mutton stew. This is the first Easter I'm celebrating with my husband and my parents, and I'm super excited to have everyone over, so join me as we do Easter Casa de Antipur style.
Happy Easter to everyone. And traditionally we make appam and stew with either lamb or chicken stew for Easter. So that's what I'm going to make today. I'm going to make today palapam or lace appam and lamb stew. Appam mix is made with 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of coconut and half teaspoon of yeast mixed with the sugar for the starter. And then it was soaked and ground in the mixie and kept it overnight. And in the morning I added some salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar and a little bit of coconut milk. So the appam mix is ready, and that appam is going to be made like that. I will show you. Okay, this is how you make the appam. And you take it, twist it all around, and it will cook with a hump in the middle. If it is on gas, it will be better, because of the electric, the heat is difficult to control. And this is the appam with the lump in the center and like a lace around. You can make the appam as big or small as you want, depends on the pan size. I make it small. Take 1 spoon of appam mix and a tiny bit more, then you just roll it around. So, 2 pounds of lamb, shoulder, half cooked, 1 potato, 1.5 onion, 2-inch ginger, 2-inch piece of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 4 green chili, 1 tomato, cilantro, and mint leaves, and some curry leaves. So oil in it. This. This. Okay, I'm going to put the potato in it. Okay, I added the potato and I'm going to put a tiny bit of pepper in it. And I'm going to add the lamb. The lamb is cooked with the salt and little bit of black pepper, nothing else. This is 2 pounds of lamb shoulder. Tomato, 1 tomato, a little bit of mint leaves and cilantro. The rest we will add at the end of the cook. Add 1 cup of water. Let it cook. And then I added the tomato. Mixed everything. Put a bunch of cilantro and mint leaves. And now add a glass of water, 1 cup of water, and then it is cooking now. Okay, so it needs another 5-7 minutes more cooking. Let it cook slowly. Okay, this is 1 spoon of all-purpose flour. You add a little bit of water and mix it to make the stew thick. Add a tiny bit of parsley for flavor. Let's see how this is going. Let's see, salt. You need a little bit more salt. A bit of pepper in the end. Okay, now mixture will go there. The mint and the cilantro will go in there. Use fresh coconut milk made from that. Here it is available, so I use the canned coconut milk. That means the potato needs a little bit more cooking. Okay, so this is the final touch. add a half teaspoon of garam masala for the masala flavor. And then you mix it. Just let it boil a little bit. That's it. All done. So everything is in. It's only to cook for another 5 minutes. Stew is ready. So cook in little bit low heat for 5 minutes.
So that's how we spent our Easter this year, with some delicious lace appam and lamb stew. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time.